The concept of free speech online refers to the principle that individuals should be able to express their opinions and ideas freely on the internet, without fear of censorship or retribution. It encompasses the idea that online platforms should serve as a marketplace of ideas, allowing for diverse perspectives and open dialogue. Allowing diverse viewpoints and opinions to be shared online fosters a rich environment for learning and understanding different perspectives. Identifying harmful content that can be propagated through free speech is crucial for maintaining a safe and inclusive online environment. This content may include hate speech, violent extremism, misinformation, cyberbullying, and incitement to violence. Harmful content can have a detrimental impact on individuals, leading to mental health issues, distorted perceptions, and decreased self-esteem. It can also contribute to societal problems such as increased violence, discrimination, and polarization. Online platforms have a responsibility to moderate harmful content while preserving free speech. It is crucial for these platforms to find a balance between allowing open dialogue and preventing the spread of misinformation, hate speech, and other harmful content. By implementing clear guidelines and utilizing technology such as AI and machine learning, platforms can effectively identify and moderate harmful content without infringing on free speech rights. Examining the challenges of drawing the line between free speech and harmful content involves navigating the complexities of balancing freedom of expression with the need to protect individuals from hate speech, misinformation, and incitement to violence. This issue is particularly relevant in the age of social media, where the instantaneous spread of content amplifies its potential impact. Determining what constitutes harmful content often requires a nuanced understanding of cultural, social, and legal contexts, making it a deeply complex and controversial endeavor. One potential solution for balancing free speech and reducing harmful content online is to implement more stringent content moderation policies and tools that can identify and remove harmful content while still allowing for open discussion and diverse viewpoints. In conclusion, achieving a balance between free speech and harmful content online requires a comprehensive approach that takes into account the protection of fundamental rights while also addressing the potential harms associated with unbridled free speech.